Bola, or flip frying, is a delicacy named after its cooking method. It originates from Shandan County, located in the Hexi Corridor, which is a vital checkpoint on the Silk Road, and has been passed down for thousands of years. Chao Bola is renowned for its unique cooking method and flavor. The main ingredients are lamb and beef, which are rapidly stir-fried on an iron platter with scorching fire. The spiciness is moderate, and the flavor is rich but not greasy. Take a bite of Chao Bola. It'll take you to the heroic and epic Northwest China.